When we run our test, normally the test would just run at this level, that you'd see this, then the test. We can add a custom block here. I'm using PyBoxen that's built on top of Rich. And just below that, on the other side of this, we see also another custom line that I've made. Just put in some icons and some basic text before we start then moving on to PyTest itself. To be able to configure that, if we come into conftest.py, and is a report header around line 200 in conftest.py. Firstly, we can print something out, and we see this. We can add a report header and any information. So if we come back and scroll up on this, we can see we're getting this block here and anything else we might need. But also notice the return value. If we return something, and I suppose there's a list of different items. Let's just see if this has another test. F test. Don't need an F string there, but let's just see what that does. If we come back into here and run the test again, we come back up top, we can see, yep, we get that. So it's a list of those strings that gets passed after the cache directory of the PyTest run. So it's in a slightly different place to what we're printing, but that's how we can get our report header. And if you've got any global values, like we did here, we had some things in the config, we can print them out. So I'm just going to change that back, save that. So once again, it's the PyTest report header, has a config object, built-in fixture with PyTest, and it comes at the top, so we can nicely summarize it. And we did in the README, in the Py requirements, we loaded in Rich and PyBoxen, which is built on top of Rich to create those nice boxes. Both really brilliant libraries, great lovely output. So that is how we do the report test header.